Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tamara Renaye. So as you can see by the title of today's video, we'll be working on this unit. It was sent to me from Hermosa Hair. It's my first time working with this hair company. And I must say that the quality of the unit and the hair itself is so good. Like, what? Who doesn't want some good hair? Come on. All hair details will be down in the description box below as always, so if you're interested, of course, check it out. As you can see, it is a highlighted unit, baby. When I received it, I did bleach the knots and I co-washed this unit. I did receive it already pre-plugged, so I didn't see the point of me going in to do extra work because the highlights and the color of the hair itself, like, it really helped disguise the hairline. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes to my units, my installs, you guys know the drill. I like to keep it, simple and easy. I don't like to do any glues or anything because I don't live in wigs. I put it on and I take it off at night. For those wondering, I do spray like water on a rag and just press it onto the lace itself, and that's how it melts off and lifts. That's the method I use to take off my units to prevent any hair loss and stuff like that, because I do want my edges. Okay, so laying it down with this ebony lace spray, I will be melting this lace as possible with the help of an elastic band, of course. And then right after that, I'm gonna get right into styling. I decided to do a side part because I haven't done a side part in so long, like on a wig. I haven't done that in such a long time, and I wanted to do something different. I felt different because of these highlights. Like, it really put me in a mood. It made me feel some type of way, So I'll be going in with some wax and my hot comb to lay that down, and then I'll be going in with my Paul Mitchell Narrow Smooth Flat Iron and this IGK Crybaby Hair Serum. You guys see me use these products all the time. I use it on my natural hair and I use it on my units. So I'm just going to straighten through this hair, cut the lace and do all of the things. I will say though, one thing I should have done, but in the moment it didn't seem like I needed to, and that's applying some powder on the hairline, like around the lace on the hairline. Do you get what I'm saying? On camera now, like when I'm editing it, I see that there's like a subtle white cast, but what I should have done was just apply some powder and then we would be good to go. But honestly, it ain't that deep. It really ain't that deep. So again, all hair details will be down in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big shout outs to Hermosa Hair because this hair is on point, baby. It's on point. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye, TikTok at Tamara.Renaye. Keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenaye.com. And yeah, I love you guys and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.